So today we are going to make this pretty little beaded sling bag. So now let's start the tutorial. And for that, first take a fishing wire. Insert 4 beads one by one in the wire. Then make a loop with the left wire by using the 4th bead. Then pass the right wire through left loop and tightly pull both the wires. Now again insert 1 bead in the right wire and 2 in the left wire. Then make a loop with the left wire by using the 2nd bead. Then pass the right wire in the left loop. Then tightly pull both the wires. Now again repeat the same process. Now we'll turn it to the right side, and for that we will insert 2 beads in the left wire and 1 to the right wire. Now make a loop with the right wire by using the right bead. Now pass the left wire in the right loop. Tightly pull both the wires. Then again insert 2 beads to the left wire and 1 to the right wire. Then again make a loop with the right wire by using the right bead. Then pass the left wire in right loop. Tightly pull both the wires. Now pass the right wire through the next bead. Then insert 2 beads to the left wire. Make a loop with the left wire by using the 2nd bead. Pass the right wire through the left loop. Then tightly pull both the wires. Now again repeat the same process. So guys, here our beading is completed, and to secure our beading so that our wires cannot get open, we'll pass the wires through different beads. Then we'll tie a knot for more security. And finally cut the remaining wires. And now it's completely done. And here we have 6 square bead box in a row and 11 square bead box in a column. Now fold it once and try to give it a bucket shape. Now we'll close both the sides. And for that, take another fishing wire, pass the wire through left first bead and insert one bead to left wire and 2 to right wire. Then make a loop with right wire by using the second bead and pass the left wire through right loop and tightly pull both the wires. Now again insert one bead to right wire, pass right wire through next bead. Then insert one bead to left wire and make a loop with left wire by using the left bead. Then tightly pull both the wires. Now repeat the same process. Now at the end, tie a knot . Now you can see a bucket-like structure is formed. Now we'll add strap on both the sides. And for that, take another fishing wire, pass it through left bead, add 15 beads one by one. Then pass one wire through right bead. Then tie a knot using both wires. Now at last, by using these jump rings, we'll attach this chain strap in both the sides of the bag. And now finally our beaded sling bag is ready. And look, it's so easy to make and pretty now. And guys, thank you so much for watching.